Hello and welcome back to another video on the channel. So in May I released a video to show you guys how to mod GTA 5. But with the recent Bottom Dollar Bounties DLC update, they kind of changed the version of GTA and you couldn't mod the game. So today's video is going to be a quick step-by-step tutorial, really easy, really fast, to show you guys how to overcome some of the problems and how to mod GTA within like 5 minutes probably. So excuse my cluttered desktop, but as you can see here we have 3 files: menu, single player, Script2V version 0.3274 and Script2V.net. All 3 of these are very important, and make sure the version of Script2V which you are downloading matches your GTA 5 version. And if you don't know how to check your GTA 5 version, you go into Steam or Epic Games, browse your local files like I just did, and go down and look for GTA5.exe. Right click on it so it looks like this, properties and details. It's going to tell you your product version right here. Note that the game won't launch when Script2V's version and your GTA's version doesn't match. It has to match, enable to launch temporarily on your desktop like this. So let's start off with menu. Open up your GTA 5 main directory like this. Let's put it one side. There we go. So you're gonna copy and paste menu ASI and menu stuff, only those two which I've highlighted, and you're gonna drag and drop them into your GTA 5 main directory. I already have them, so I'm not gonna put them in. Next up is Script2V. Open up the bin folder, select only the Script2V.dll file and then put 8 and drag and drop them in here. It's not needed for native trainer.asi because we have menu. This is just like another modding menu which you can use to spawn in cars and stuff, but nobody really uses it. And last but not least, let's do Script2V.net next. Alright, and here's our Script2V.net file. You're gonna select the first 6. Leave the license and readme alone. Don't copy and paste those. They are unnecessary. Only select these which I've highlighted. And once again, drag and drop them into your main directory. And if it says replace with files, replace it if you already have it and you're watching this tutorial to update. Right, so with those 3 in, let me show you guys how to create a mods folder. So you're gonna have to download OpenIV, and once you're in, make sure you're in edit mode. I did encounter some people which said they can't edit anything or they can't copy and paste anything. That's because they forgot to put on edit mode. Now don't stress if you're a first time modder, this is a very common problem. It happened to me many times. But yeah, always remember to put on edit mode. And one very important first step is you have to download these 3 ASI things. Now when you download OpenIV, it's automatically going to pop up for you. And if it doesn't, do like I do here, go to Tools, ASI Manager, and download and install all 3 of these so they look green just like this. Oh, and also it's going to ask you if you want to create a mods folder. You just say yes, and you would see a purple folder called mods. Now when you go in it, yours is going to be probably empty. And after you copy and paste everything from x64.e, you go back to this homepage, then you go into update and copy and paste everything here into your mods folder. Now your mods folder should work, and if it doesn't, I would highly recommend to go check out several other videos on how to make a mods folder. There's a lot of different ways how you could do this, but this is probably the most popular one or common one. And last but not least, I'm going to show you guys how to mod in add-on cars. So let's pull up my GTA 5 mods over here. Now let's say I want to download this 2022 Benefactor Dubster. Let me just show you guys how it should look. So you go here, click on it, and it should download. If it takes you to any external website, please click off. You're gonna get scammed or with a virus. So once you've extracted your Dubster 22 file, you're gonna open up your GTA 5 main directory. Then you're going to go into mods, update, x64 and DLC packs. Now you're gonna see all these mods. Now I have 1, 2 or 3 extra mods in here, but you're gonna find the file of your add-on car mod and make sure it has please make sure it only has this DLC.rpf inside of it. You go one back, just like that, you copy and paste it, or just drag and drop it in there. The final step is you're gonna go back into OpenIV, and you're gonna go into a mods folder, update, update.rpf, common, data, and you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna see DLC list.xml. You're gonna right click that, and once again, please make sure edit mode is turned on, and make sure you right click on it and then press edit. Now you can copy and paste the line just like that, just Control C and then, I don't know, Control V, but make sure it's beneath it like that, and you could remove the inside. So the final step is you're gonna go back into the DLC packs thing from your main directory, and you're gonna right click on the mod you just dragged and drop in here. You're gonna select rename, Control C, or copy the name and paste it in between these lines, and make sure there's no space underneath it. It has to look like this. Make sure you press save. Always make sure you press save, and your game is officially modded. And now, just to demonstrate that it is legit and it should work, I'm just gonna launch it. I'm not gonna go completely into the game because I have so many mods, it loads for years, honestly. Now, you're not probably going to have this intro because this is NVE or Natural Vision Evolved. It's a graphics mod. I have a video on my channel, and the link's also in the description if you want to see how to mod your game's graphics so it looks incredible, or like my thumbnail for instance. And if it doesn't launch as flawlessly as that and it keeps on crashing, make sure you've done everything correctly and everything looks similar to mine. But there you go, hopefully this was helpful and you guys enjoyed it. And if this was helpful, consider leaving a like and a subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below if you have any problems or if it worked, and I will try and help my best where I can. And if you want to see how to add my graphics mod, consider watching this video on your screen right now in 3, 2, 1